Welcome to FM Tuition Academy. Okay, so today in maths, we'll be looking at a topic called matrices, and we'll center on determinant. That's what we'll center on. For example, in the exam, a question can come, question 1 there. They can say matrix A, it's 2, 3, 4, 6 there. And then they can say, find the determinant of A. Okay? Find the determinant of A. What do you do? So the first thing, you write the matrix. So this is the solution, okay? This is the solution, okay? So you write the matrix A. So that's a matrix A. How was it? What was the matrix A? 2, 3 down. So there was those 2 there, 3 down. And then the 4, 6. Okay, there was 4 there, and then 6 here. Okay, so when you're finding the determinant, you get the first 3 letters. So you say determinant, which is DET, the first 3 letters of this letter A. Okay, and then this number here multiplies with that number here. Okay, so you say 2, the one that is you cross multiply. So you multiply 2 times 6. So you multiply 2 times 6. And then you put in brackets, minus. When you finish putting brackets, again, you multiply 4, you multiply it to 6. Have you seen they have multiplied? 2 times 6 and then 4 times 3. So 4 times 3. That's how you find the determinant. So 2 times 6, it is 12, minus 4 times 3 is 12. So the determinant here is going to be 0, because 12 minus 12 is 0. Okay, so the question can keep on going. They can bring for you this. They may say -2. They may say 6, -1, let's say 3. And then they say, find the determinant of B. Okay, we use B here instead of A. We used A already, so this is matrix B. Matrix B. So matrix B is equal to that. Find the determinant of B. So you say determinant of B is going to be equal to, of course, first you list the matrix. You remember what I said for the solution? Huh? We said solution, and then you write the matrix. What is the matrix B? Matrix B is so say B is equal to, what's the matrix? By finding the solution, -2 on top there, as you can see, 6 down, -2 is here, 6 is down, and then -1, 3. Here it's -1, 3. So how do you define the determinant? So you say determinant DET of letter B is equal to the same procedure. You multiply this number on top with 3. So it's -2 times 3. So you do like this. Then you do minus, open bracket, -1 times 6. So again you do there. That -1 that side times 6 this side. So -1 times 6. Have you seen? Which is equal to -2 times 6 is -6. Okay, and then this negative here, you can see it, this one here will come here. Okay, and then this is -1 times 6, it's -6. Okay, and then you put brackets here, so it will be -6. Okay, -6. These 2 negatives here, the negative here and this negative here, they'll form a what? They form a plus. So this negative here and then there's brackets here, and another negative there. Two negatives multiplied, they'll give you a positive. Okay? So negative 6 plus 6, the answer is 0. The answer is going to be equal to 0. Okay? So it applies just like that. Sometimes they can bring matrix Z. It is equal to 2, negative 1, negative 3, negative 4. Okay? And then they ask you, actually let's use, I'll just use 3 there. Find the determinant of Z. Okay, so say let's list Z, the matrix. We're solving now. This is the solution, don't get confused. So matrix Z is equal to what? 2, negative 1. Matrix Z is 2, negative 1 there, and then 3, negative 4. 3, negative 4. So you say determinant of the letter Z is equal to, you remember, you multiply this one times the one that is down here. So you multiply 2 times negative 4. Okay? Have you seen? 2 times negative 4. When you reach here, this negative 4, you put it in brackets. Why? Because there's times and negative. And then the brackets that you're going to put will be like this for outside. Have you seen? Minus, open bracket, that 3 here is multiplying with the negative 1. So 3 times negative 1. Okay? So because there is times and negative, you put brackets here also. Okay? And then here you put square brackets, meaning even here you introduce square brackets. Okay? That will be 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. This negative here comes here. And then 3 times negative 1, it will be negative 3. And then it comes like this. So you drop negative 8. I taught you indices. You remember how to solve indices like this? You drop your negative 8, this negative, and that negative. Okay? So you drop your negative 8 here. So this negative times this negative will form a positive 3. So negative 8 minus 3, the answer is 5. So is equal to 5. Okay. And then now you solve the exercise now. Let's do the exercise. So the exercise is given that A is equal to 2, negative 1, negative 3. Actually, that would be 3, 6, 1. Okay. Find the determinant of A. That's question 1. Okay. Question 2. B is equal to 2, negative 1, negative 3, 4. Okay. Find the determinant of B. Question 3. C is equal to negative 1, 2, negative 3, 4. Find the determinant of C. Last question 4. P is equal to 2, negative 2, negative 1, 2, negative 5. Find the determinant of P. That's all. So 4 questions. I've come to the end. can practice, post your answers in the private learning WhatsApp group.